Dr. Sylvia Wong. I'm the consultant psychiatrist and director of Harmony Specialist Clinic in Subang Jaya. But today I'm here in New York Skin Solutions as a customer to deal with my problems of dehydration and pigmentation. So you can see from here, my skin here is thin and dry, and here there's fine lines and wrinkles and pigmentation in general. And then after a few sessions, my skin is plumper, reducing the effects of the dehydration and also the fine lines and wrinkles, and pigmentation overall is reduced as well. As long as you're juggling a career and your family, that will definitely contribute to stress. Overall stress can cause pimple breakouts, it can cause worsening of dehydration. When it gets too busy, then we won't have time to take care of our skin. I chose New York Skin Solutions because I like how clean the extraction feels. I like the effect after every session, and I also like the massages. So the consultants recommended the collagen treatments for me because I want to target pigmentation, anti-aging as well as dehydration. Collagen is the building block of your skin. When there is enough collagen, it helps to hydrate the skin, it helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines, and it can also help to reduce melanin production. Well, of course, home skincare is very important, but maintenance facial treatments is important because it can do what home self-care cannot. For example, perhaps the extraction would provide deeper cleansing, and also when you go for facials, they'll use the machines, and this can help the products to penetrate deeper to have more effect. And also, well, you can't massage yourself at home. I would recommend the collagen treatment to my friends and family because I can see the visible effects after each session, and also as a form of self-care for them.